Hello and welcome to this NIM tutorial on Self-Service Password Reset Part 4. The next step is to configure a password reset profile. A password reset profile is a collection of settings that bring together various pieces of the password reset process. It also contains various settings that can be configured to customize the password reset experience for your end users. Let's get started. Navigate to Configuration Password Reset. Click Add, then provide a profile name and click Save. You are now taken to the Configuration tab of the new Password Reset profile. In the Password Reset app dropdown, select the Password Reset app. In the Account Filter dropdown, select the Profile Lookup filter that you created in Step 3. For the Password Reset app error form and error description ID, select Message. Next to Password Reset profile forms, click the Add button 6 times. Set the form name, form function, form variable, execute, and notifications columns to the values shown on screen. Click Save. Then, click on the Action Variables tab. This is where you will map data from the Profile Lookup filter onto variables that will be used later on in the password reset process. Find the unique identifier for the user account in your target system. In Active Directory, this is Object GUID. In Google Workspace, this is ID. Click on the icon next to the unique identifier to have NIM auto-generate a variable name for that field. Click Save. Then click on the Password Reset Actions tab. This is where you will define the actions that NIM takes within target systems when an end user submits a new password. Most often, this will simply be specifying the user's new password, but you are free to launch other actions as you see fit. Click the Add button to add an action, then select the new action. In the System dropdown, select the desired target system. In the Function dropdown, select User Update or the target system's equivalent. Under the Input tab, your target system's unique identifier will be listed in bold. Change its value source to variable. Then, select the appropriate variable in the Constant Value Variable dropdown as shown here. This will instruct NIM to target the user account associated with the end user who is submitting the request. Also under the Input tab, find the target system's password field. Change its value source to variable and select the vPassword variable in the Constant Value or Variable dropdown. Now click Save. With the password reset profile in place, we can now configure the mappings for the internal password reset system. I'll see you again in Part 5.